Good evening, friends. Congress is now working to make some big changes to Social Security. Millions of Americans may see a drastic change to their Social Security monthly benefit checks if a new proposed bill is signed into law by President Biden. White House officials have announced that representatives and senators are working overtime to finally close a deal on the Build Back Better package this month. So, my dear friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video for the latest updates on the fourth stimulus checks. Also, be sure to share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. I will also be announcing the 3 winners of this week's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway at the end of this video. Thank you so much, friends.
The truth is that corporate greed is nothing new. It's been going on for a very, very long time. And it manifests itself in the extreme wealth and income inequality that we are seeing in this country now. And this is one of the issues which gets far too little discussion, but the American people have got to determine whether or not we are comfortable with 2 people owning more wealth than the bottom 42% of Americans, whether we're comfortable the top 1% owning more wealth than the bottom 92%. And I've said this a million times, we focus on the oligarchy in Russia, which should be focused on, and Putin's allies there who have led him into this, work with him on this terrible war. Truth is, we have an oligarchy in this country, and we might want to be focusing on that as well. When we talk about why the American people are angry, why, among other things, we're seeing a spurt in the growth of trade unionism in this country, it has a lot to do with the fact that CEOs in large corporations now make 350 times more than their average workers. In addition to that, they receive stock options, golden parachutes, and a wide range of perks go to the CEOs. And meanwhile, working families are struggling to pay their bills, to feed their kids.
So, friends, there are several big changes to Social Security that some of you probably did not know. Because Social Security has been around for so many years, you might assume that its rules just stay the same. But that is not the case. Social Security can change from year to year, and some changes may be more obvious than others. Here are a few changes in Social Security that may have slipped under your radar so far this year. The first big change to Social Security is that the wage cap increased. You don't have to be collecting Social Security for changes to the program to affect you. If you are working and a higher earner, you may now be losing more of your income to Social Security taxes. Each year, there's a wage cap that's set for Social Security tax purposes, and earnings beyond that point are exempt from taxes. Last year, the cap was set at $142,800, but this year it's increased to $147,000. If you earn $140,000 or more per year, it means that you're paying Social Security taxes on an additional $4,200 of income. Meanwhile, the tax rate that applies to wages for Social Security purposes is 12.4%. So if you are self-employed, this higher wage cap means that your tax liability could increase by almost $521 this year. Friends, another change to Social Security is that work credits are harder to earn. In order to receive Social Security benefits during retirement, you need to accumulate 40 work credits in your lifetime. The value of a credit can change from year to year, and you can only earn a maximum of 4 credits per year. Last year, $1,470 of earnings got you 1 work credit. This year, it takes $1,510 of earnings to snag a credit. So if you work full-time, this change may not affect you. But if you're a part-time worker, that higher threshold could put you at risk of not acquiring the credits that you need to get the benefits down the line. Technically, Medicare is a separate program from Social Security. But many seniors who are on Social Security and Medicare at the same time will no doubt be affected by this year's Part B premium hikes. That is because those higher costs will erode their Social Security raises. Social Security benefits got a 5.9 cost of living adjustment for this year, on the heels of the rampant inflation during 2021's third quarter. But a big part of that COLA will now be lost to higher Medicare Part B premiums, which are deducted from Social Security benefits for those who are enrolled in both programs. Specifically, Medicare Part B rose from $148.50 in 2021 to $170.10 in 2022. That means seniors anticipating a nice raise may see it shrink by $21.60. So friends, were you aware of these changes to Social Security? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. There could be an even bigger COLA adjustment increase next year for all Social Security beneficiaries. Based on recent inflation data, the Senior Citizens League is estimating that seniors on Social Security could be in line for a 7.6% COLA in 2023. COLAs are calculated based on changes in the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers. So even this year, seniors on Social Security are falling behind because the rate of inflation is outpacing their 5.9% COLA. And if seniors do indeed see their benefits rise by 7.6% next year, that will only happen as a result of soaring living costs. Overall, friends, that means when benefits rise, seniors don't really gain much from that. And that is why it is important that Congress moves forward with a bill that will increase monthly benefit payments for all Social Security beneficiaries this year. Well, my good friends, that is the end of this daily stimulus update video for this evening. Thank you so very, very much for everyone who's watching. I greatly appreciate all of you. The three winners of this week's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway are Robin Goldston, Charlene Christian Bostick, and Becky Burks. Congratulations, my friends! Please note that if I have announced you as a winner, do check your notifications page to claim the gift card. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.